Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Today I have a real treat for you. We're going to draw a red pickup truck. In fact, my first car was a red pickup truck. Let's head down to the studio now. I think Sal is waiting for us, and let's get to driving. Let's get to drawing. Okay, first thing we want to do is draw a horizontal line. This will be the basis of our truck here.
Yep.
Then we're going to do a vertical line in the middle. This will represent the very corner of our truck.
Yep, keep things all squared up right at that corner.
Get the outsides, and then we're going to connect it. So in a sense, we're drawing a cube that we're looking up at.
Yep.
And our eye level is at the bottom of it. A drawing tip from
a dad who draws.
Just listen while I do this. If you're trying to find the center of a square, all you have to do is connect the corners. Where those lines cross, that is your center. So then when we go to draw a cube, same thing. Connect the corners, and that will give us the center. Let's try it on the other side. Look at that, piece of cake. Let's find the center of the side.
Yep. Keep it all squared up in the middle there, nice and centered.
By drawing an X, and where the lines cross, that is the center. This will help guide us.
Yep.
As we draw
Get some headlights in there soon.
And headlights.
All right, look at that. We brought in a picture.
Going across with a few lines to represent.
All right,
the grill.
now we know where we're going with everything. Get that picture in.
And the headlights.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this windshield in here. And you can see it's an angled line. And I'm going to draw the other side of the windshield and make sure they are parallel. And of course, then the roof is going to follow the same direction as the hood.
We can see that. Boom, look at that. Same direction.
Now going back, it's going to follow the same direction as the side.
Yeah, I like that. Same direction again. Boom. That should help. And the back window looks like it's perfectly vertical, straight up and down.
So let's add a bumper in.
Well, bumper to tell people to move out of the road. Move along, slow poke.
Now our opening for our wheel well.
Yeah, like that. Access to the tires.
This is where our door will go.
Yeah. Quick exit there. Get that door handle.
Okay, add a little thickness to the hood of the roof ceiling.
All right, here it comes. A word from our sponsor. You know what to do.
Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
Let's go ahead and get our tires in here, and we're just going to draw these with ovals, and we're going to make it crooked a little bit, and this kind of adds a little humor to our truck. And then we want to draw the
hubcap.
Man, I can't remember the hubcap. And make sure you draw the hubcap off to the right ever so slightly. This will give the sense of thickness here. Let's get our other wheel in as well.
All right. Coming along here nicely. We should talk about silhouette. Talk about silhouette, that would be helpful.
Now let's talk about silhouette. This is when we take a shape and we're just going to darken it in.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
But the shape can add a lot of interest. So the underside of our truck is going to be all silhouetted, and it's going to have an interesting shape to it, and that causes contrast to the eye.
The shadow nose. There used to be a comic book character, the Shadow.
All right, let's get a big load in the back of his pickup here. And again, we're going to draw just an interesting shape.
Yeah.
And we don't have to draw all the objects, just a few. And with a silhouette, what's nice is you leave a lot to the imagination to figure out what that shape is. And whenever we can involve the imagination in a drawing, especially for our viewer, it makes a drawing that much more interesting. You don't have to give away all the details. So in the case of the truck here, the load, we'll cover it with a tarp and let the viewer use their imagination to guess what is on the inside of that tarp.
Get that exhaust pipe in the back, like it. Had some debris flying off. It doesn't look like they tied it up very well. Oh, look at that color version.
A little ladder hanging out the back. And I'm adding some little objects like flying off. And of course, adding a little flag.
Darken your lines, I would think, huh?
Some speed lines on the side of our truck. A little smoke coming out the exhaust pipe. And that should be the basis for our truck. Now, what you could do after is you can go in and darken some lines. You have the example on screen. And then you can color it as well, and you kind of get an idea of what the color version looks like.
Looks good.
All right, I hope you enjoyed our truck, our old red pickup truck. And thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay, have a great day. What do you got to say, Sal?
Hey, pick you up later.
All right, see y'all tomorrow.
Yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Good job, everyone.